In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Wix site for mobile. More than half of your visitors are likely arriving on a phone, so polishing the mobile version of your site can make a huge difference in readability, navigation, and conversions. We'll keep this simple and focused, using the tools built right into the Wix editor. First, open your site in the Wix editor and switch to mobile view from the top toolbar. This toggles the canvas into a phone frame, so you see exactly how your pages stack on smaller screens. Remember, you're working on the mobile layout only. Content like text and images stay synced with desktop, but positioning, sizes, and visibility can be customized for mobile without affecting your desktop design. Now adjust your layouts. On a small screen, space is premium, so start by dragging elements into a clear vertical flow. Avoid side-by-side items that get cramped. Stacking them top to bottom is usually easier to scan. Use the blue alignment guides to center key elements and maintain consistent margins. If items overlap, resize them using the corner handles and keep an eye on section height so nothing gets cut off. Banners and galleries can be reduced, but make sure images keep their subject visible. If something looks cropped awkwardly, scale or reposition it until the focal point is clear. If a section doesn't serve a purpose on mobile, hide it. Select the element or strip and choose the option to hide on mobile. This removes clutter for phone users while keeping the content safe on desktop. It's a great way to skip heavy visuals, duplicate content, or anything that forces too much scrolling. You can always unhide it later. Next, check your text and buttons. On phones, tiny type is the fastest way to lose visitors. Bump body text to a comfortable size, increase line spacing slightly, and make sure there's strong contrast against the background. Keep headlines short and let paragraphs breathe with enough padding around them. For buttons, think about thumbs. Make tap targets large and well spaced so users don't accidentally hit the wrong thing. A practical benchmark is around 44 by 44 pixels or larger, with clear labels like Contact, Buy Now, or Learn More. Place important buttons near the top of a section and repeat critical actions at the bottom so they're easy to reach. That's it. By switching to mobile view, refining your layout, hiding what you don't need, and dialing in text and buttons, your Wix site will feel fast, friendly, and effortless on any phone.